In this episode of Made In, we head to the Max Family Entertainment Center in Orangeburg, South Carolina.
We're located in Orangeburg, South Carolina, between Columbia and Charleston, and we offer the escape room, trampoline park, bump cars or spin zone, laser tag, video games, and coming soon, we have mini bowling. We're in our dinosaur-themed laser tag room. It was designed specifically for this location. Basically, our focus was to make sure that there was something that kids could do that they can enjoy that was a different theme.
The cart itself is really, you drive it as though you're doing a zero-turn lawnmower. That's it, but it got some other features on it. If you look at here, if I can get a little closer right here, you see where it says, hit me here. So hit me here. Now what's that designed to do is that if another car comes around and it hits you and it bumps you right there, if it bumps you right there, it's gonna spin.
If you see those glowing boxes, they actually record how many times people play the games, and of course what games they played, so we can get a report to see what games are played and what was the number one game, which game is not working at all, how many people ride the spin zone because they have the boxes on it as well. And all of that is fed into our POS system, which actually ties in everything. How many folks on the trampoline, how many folks in the escape room. So all of that comes together to give us a report to tell us how many people are using whatever part of the venue. So you can make the decision, okay, well, this game is not working anymore, or people are not interested, it's time to change this game out. So basically all of the data forms in that one particular program.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Made In. If so, why not hit the subscribe button, head over to edgefactor.com, create a free account. There are many more videos like this.